What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Tesla Model Y getting wrapped in 3M 2080 Satin Black. This is going to be a relatively quick video, you guys. I will update you guys as I go, and then when it's finished I will take it out here and you guys will see it completely finished product. The technique that I'll be using is going to be the same technique I do for all the Teslas. Matter of fact, all the cars that come to me, I do this. Basically remove everything, even the things that don't need to be removed, I remove. I want my wraps to get in there nicely. I want them to be tucked in, and I don't want to have problems down the road. So this part, meaning it's going to come off, the little grills on the bottom going to come off. I want my Satin Black to be visible, so if he's going to be that person that wants to check out for quality, yeah, he's going to see it. Definitely going to see it. He's going to look through this clear lens. He's going to see Satin Black folded in there, same as it was with the matte Sonic Yellow Pearl that I did on the Model 3. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, you guys, got the bumper off, got the lights off, and got the cameras off. This is a 2023 model, I believe is what he told me, and I find it very easy to remove these side cameras on the fenders. I know for sure with the older Teslas, these side cameras on the fenders were a pain in the rear end, literally very hard to remove. This one also looks a little bit different, like this connector is angled. With the older Teslas, both connectors are straight like this one. Alrighty, so just removed the side lights on this Tesla Model Y front bumper, the center grille, and this little piece, which I will be wrapping individually. So right here with the side center, it allows me to wrap this little piece. Yes, I do remove everything just because I want to have this little piece wrapped. Same scenario as it was with the Model 3 that I wrapped in the matte pearl, I think yellow color, that really nice yellow color. With the center, it allows me to just fold in just a little bit, just fold it in to prevent it from peeling down the road, and makes it look perfect. Like, I will go through this step just for the wrap to look nice, and allows me to also get in here much a little bit deeper. I'm gonna wrap over here all the way to this line, and that's it really. I mean, you don't have to go all the way in, just a little bit, just a little bit, so it looks nice, you know. And that's it. That extra step, this little time that I need to spend, make it look nice, is well worth it down the road. So I got the lights off the fender, the side cameras, and so now I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna tuck it in nicely here, right here, and with the trim off, because obviously you need to remove the trim to get to the bumper. We'll get in there much deeper. Not many people do this. You won't believe it. They cut around the headlight, cut right here, they tuck it in, they cut along the trim, tuck it in, right here, tuck it in. So if I was to take off these bolts and then push the bumper downwards, you'll see where it's cut. It's not gonna be how it's gonna be with me, where I'm gonna be going all the way to the clip. It's gonna be looking nice. It's gonna be looking proper, like crazy. I like it. I love wrapping. So let's get to it. There you guys have it, all complete. Model 3 Tesla wrapped in Satin Black by 3M 2080. Pretty common color on these cars. Straightforward video. Nothing really difficult to do on this car, so if anyone is trying to pull this off first time, you should have no problem wrapping a Tesla of any kind. Just one thing I do want to point out, make sure you follow videos. I know I have one for the Model 3. Check out that video on how to get these front bumpers done on the Tesla. Other than that, everything else is smooth. You don't got to remove the door handles. The mirror covers do have to come off. Like, these things do have to come off. There's a lot of videos on how to get those off. So yeah, very straightforward video. He's on his way to pick it up, and he's gonna be very excited. In the meantime, I'm gonna take you guys around real quick, show you how it's looking in the sun. I have many videos of this car in Satin Black, but I'm gonna show you guys again. Really nice. I love this color more than matte. Satin just goes well with gloss black. And here is the rear end. I did reuse the emblems on the front and then on the back. They're very difficult to take off because they are chrome. They can warp up really easily. They're thin, not like the other emblems that I was working with. Anyways, license plate obviously came off, and this part right here, this camera, as well as these lights, this part has been wrapped. First this piece, and then right here, leave a little slab, fold it in right here along this line. That's it. Very easy to do. Make sure you remove the lights. Not many people do that, but I do suggest removing the lights to make it look even more professional. So there you guys go, in the sun on the side. Love this color a lot. No wonder it's a very common color you see on Teslas. So yeah, he's on his way. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.